In this Phoenix Reloaded review, I'm going to be showing you a system that's been known to make $1,000 days passively. This is something that I know actually works because I know the guys that are actually doing it. Of course, I'm going to be showing you what this actually is and look at the hype on the sales page and show you what this isn't. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, and a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to take a look at Phoenix Reloaded, you can go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video as it really helps out on the YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And also make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. The last thing before we jump in, I just want to show you my bonus page here. I've got a ton of extra bonuses here, including resell rights to some products here as well. All these bonuses will be waiting for you inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, revealed the secret Phoenix Reloaded method we've been profiting with for 10 years. It's making us $1,000 daily passively. Here's how you can replicate our success within 30 minutes. So essentially, it's a method that actually works. I don't want you to get kind of drowned in the hype here. Like, they're making $1,000 days. Of course, don't expect to be making that in the beginning, but it is a method that actually does work, and they've got tons of proof for this. They've made a lot of money with this. These are transfers coming over from promoting products here. They've made thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars here, maybe even millions from this. It's a lot of money that they've made here. Now, they say it's a proven system. Pick an offer, blast it with traffic, and then enjoy the commissions. They could show you how to like choose the offers, how to get traffic to the offers. These are real screenshots from them here. It says Phoenix affiliate sale. These are real money that they've made here from this. Again, it's a real system. I want to stress that to you, that these guys are actually making a lot of money online here. So you get all the different bonuses here, everything here, etc. And you should, I'm not 100% positive of this, but when you get to the sales page, if you move your mouse away, there should potentially be a pop-up that there could be like a discount there. Now, I'm not positive. I'm just showing you what I know right now, but when this goes live, there might be a discount. So just move your mouse away and just make sure that there isn't a discount, that comes up there. Again, I make less as an affiliate by showing this to you, but I always want you to know that you're going to get the lowest price if you check out my reviews. So please give me a like if you like the fact that I show those discounts. Okay, now I'm going to show you a video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'll be back to show you the backend area, the OTOs, and the discounts on the OTOs.
Alright, g'day guys, how we going? It is Mark Barrett here. First up, on behalf of my partner James Fawcett, I'd like to say a massive thank you for stopping by and checking out Phoenix. Look, I am super bloody pumped to show you this. It's one of my babies, one of my absolute favourite methods. And look, honestly, I just can't wait to show you, okay? Look, I'm sure you got a ton of emails telling you to come and check out Phoenix, so let's just dive straight in and tell you what it's about, okay? So, Phoenix is my brainchild, my product that I've built that allows me to essentially make $1,000 per day, each and every day, non-stop as an affiliate, okay? Now, I know that sounds like big numbers. I'll back it up in a second and we'll show you, okay? We're honestly all about being open and transparent and showing you live proof. Now, Phoenix was built for a very specific reason, okay? So, look, probably about 3 years ago, I was flying high, okay? Those of you that have been around for a while know me. I was making $1 million a year in my online business, you know. Things were flying. I spent stupid money on whatever you can think of. I did that, okay? And then inevitably what happened after a series of bad investments and, you know, a couple of different things, essentially I lost everything, guys. I mean, everything that I thought was important to me, you know, we're talking sports cars, bloody local brick and mortar businesses. You know, I essentially went bankrupt and I actually even ended up back at work. And, you know, we went through some pretty tough times. I came from, I was a true rags to riches story. And then I went rags to riches to rags again. And, you know, it sucked. It was tough for me to swallow. Like I said, I ended up back in a day job. I put my family through, you know, some really tough times. And, you know, after about 3 months of being in the day job and work and then licking my wounds, sulking basically, I decided enough was enough and I had to build a system that would never, ever let me down again. Okay. Look, this is what I want to do, and I have been doing it for years again now, thanks to Phoenix, is work from home. Okay. I have 3 kids, number 4 on the way. I love the time freedom that this business allows me, and this beautiful Phoenix product can be run in 30 minutes a day. I get in, make my $1,000 a day, get out and go and play with the kids, or Sunday today, watch some sport, whatever it is that I want to do. Okay, now, guys, like I said, it was very important to me to build a system that wouldn't let me down. Okay, after losing everything, I was very jaded and very sour at the business, you could say, because essentially I think making it in the first place was great, but losing it hurts even more, especially after you've got a fat taste. And I got a fat, juicy taste of this business, okay? And I had to have it back. So I went about building the Phoenix system. Took me a few months of trial and error to figure it out. Obviously, I had a lot of experience to rely on. It was more about my head, getting my head right and ready to run the business again. And then I just built this simple system. Okay, now you'll see, like I said, we run this at about $1,000 a day. Okay, so I'll show you live proof of one of my affiliate accounts now. Wait till I get it. It's a bit hard to get it right, but there you can see it is the weekend, so those days are a little bit lower. So today 605, yesterday 646, last 7 days 6,600, which will pop up to 7 grand after today's done, and last 30 days you can see is $33,000. Now that's US dollars as well. Okay, that's what I run the business numbers off. So for Aussie, it's a bit more for me, but you can see we're averaging $1,000 a day using the Phoenix system. And like I said, it takes me 20 minutes a day. Once you first set it up, it'll probably take you about half an hour. And it takes me about 20 minutes a day to run the system in its entirety. And then we just get out and do whatever it is else we want to do for the day. Okay. The important thing about Phoenix, it's reliable. Okay. It works every day. It spits out numbers like that every single day for us. Okay. And that's what's important. And yeah, at the end of the day, it allows me the freedom to be able to support my family, never let them down again, by losing stuff like that. Get that guaranteed freedom, I don't know about you, especially if you're still in a day job, but $30,000 a month is my holy grail number. Okay, if I can get in and make 30 grand a month, I'm extremely happy. Of course, it's not going to make you a multi-millionaire unless you're smart with your investments, but the fact is, it's safe, it's reliable, and it works. Now, of course, I put this, what I do, literally step by step. It's a few simple steps. It might sound like a lot, but it's do this, do that, okay? Now, a product is only as good as results that it gets for customers, okay? So, yes, I could say, okay, here's what I do. I do $1,000 a day using Phoenix, but importantly, a good product needs to be able to teach people how to do it as well. Okay, so naturally I recorded up all the steps, did everything I could, and then I sent it over to James to see what he could do with it. And here's a quick look at what James was able to do with Phoenix as well.
Yeah, g'day guys. I'm just going to quickly show you some of the results that I've used in the Phoenix Reloaded method. Now, in terms of, just full transparency, last year I did over 7 figures in affiliate commissions on Warrior Plus, and that doesn't include anything I've done on ClickBank. It doesn't include any other affiliate platforms out there that I've had success on. This is just purely Warrior Plus, and I'm going to quickly show you some of the stats that I had. Now, in comparison to what I've done in Phoenix 2.0 back in March, where I did 50,000, last month, in the last 30 days, I did 103,000 in just 30 days. Now, this is the stats from all last year in 2021, as you can see, January through to December 31st. And, last year was pretty surreal, and probably the majority of the success from last year came through the Phoenix Reloaded method and the improvements that we've made. Now, in terms of the wallet, I'm just going to quickly show you the activity inside my wallet, and we're just going to quickly go to here, and I'm just going to go deposits, withdrawals. So as you can see here on my TransferWise, these are withdrawals made, real withdrawals over the last 6 months alone. So these are just withdrawals going directly into my bank account. And this will allow you just to show the proof that there are withdrawals. You know, everyone knows what TransferWise is. There are withdrawals out there. And I just want to say a big thanks to Mark for being able to show me this method. Because to be honest, like without this method, I wouldn't be generating the results that I've been able to contribute last year or even in the last 30 days. So guys, if you haven't done it yet, grab onto it. It's definitely an awesome method, and it's been life-changing for me. So thanks very much, and cheers.
All right, sweet. Cheers, James. As you can see, guys, from the results that James is getting, as well as looking at a few of the testimonials below on this page that are all 100% real, you can see that we know what it takes after years of experience to put out a product that's simple enough to teach people to get success. It really is as simple as that, okay? And Phoenix, like I said, was built because of my hate for my situation, okay? It's built for you people that want more out of life, okay? It's built for people that aren't happy with just sitting in their day job with debt racking up, you know? It's built for people that want more time and money freedom, okay? That's what it's about. You know, once upon a time I used to care about, you know, looking rich and all that type of thing. Nowadays, especially as I get a bit older, it's about the security and the freedom that a guaranteed income source like this gives me and allows me to, you know, just, if a bill comes in, do it, pay it, it's done, you know, it doesn't matter, okay? That's what Phoenix is about, and that's exactly who I built the product for, okay? So look, guys, quick recap. Phoenix is a simple affiliate marketing system, okay? Built out of a hate for losing everything and built with a need to have a system that just works, okay? This is what I do full time now. I need something that pays the bills every single day, every single week, okay? And, you know, provides for my family. And the system, okay, was built very simply. Inside, you're going to see a series of videos, okay? Do this, do this, do that, okay? It's simple enough that a 10-year-old could do it. And that's the beauty of a system, okay? It doesn't need to be crazy complicated for something to make money, okay? Combine a silly, simple system with the power of the internet, which is like having a shop open 24/7 around the clock with millions of people around the world interested in what you have for sale. Get those people over across, you start seeing affiliate commissions roll in, you know, hourly, every minute. Once you start seeing it, you'll really understand the power of it, okay? So, look, naturally, guys, we've shown you all the proof. You know, we've got everything there in front of you. This is legit. It's live proof for what we're doing right now. It's working as we speak. Naturally, though, some people are a little bit concerned, and we like to back up our results, okay? So if you jump in, give Phoenix a try, and it doesn't work out for you for whatever reason, naturally, we've got a 30-day money-back guarantee. So you literally have nothing to lose, but you have a serious income source to gain by using Phoenix, okay? So look, like I said, it comes down to this is for you if you're really tired of your situation, okay, like I was. This is for you if, you know, you're looking for a little bit of extra money freedom. Look, let's be frank here. We're successful marketers, yeah. If you even, you know, did a quarter of the results that we're getting, you know, you're still looking at a serious amount of extra income per month. Now, I don't know about you. Like I said, they say money isn't everything. Money can't buy happiness. But I'll tell you what, I've been both sides. I've been broke. I've been wealthy. I know which one I prefer, okay? So, look, guys, Phoenix is priced at just $12.95, under $13, okay? We priced it that way so that anybody that is struggling can get in and grab this, okay? Especially just coming out of the COVID period. A lot of people have lost their jobs, you know. That happened to my wife as well at the Brisbane airport. She lost her job there as well because of COVID. We know a lot of people around the world are struggling with this situation, okay? The beauty for me and in my life is I have Phoenix, guys. It doesn't matter what's happening around the world. When something like this happens, it actually goes better for our business. So that's what I want for you, okay? I want you to have the ultimate the ultimate time freedom, money freedom. You know, I want that security in your life as well. That's why I created this product for you. Okay, so guys, 13 bucks. You're gonna waste 13 bucks on something stupid this week anyway. You may as well pop in, have a look at Phoenix, and see whether it's going to be exactly what you've been looking for. Okay, so guys, that's about all I have. Okay, I want to say again a massive, massive thank you for jumping in. Look, the ball is in your court now. It's up to you to make a decision whether yay or nay. For 13 bucks, I know what decision I'll be making. So look forward to seeing you on the inside. Cheers.
Okay, so this is the backend area that you're going to have access to after you purchase. You have access to the overview, the 100,000 in 30 days case study, getting started with it, traffic, scaling it up, a new ecosystem here, conclusion, all these different things done for you, funnel, all these different things included in here in the backend area of this product. Now, there are multiple OTOs here. So the first one here says, would you like us to do the heavy lifting for you? They're going to be 201 cash converting swipes. Give you some extra stuff here to give you better results with this. Now, here's what I want to show you. This is what most people aren't going to show you here. If you click the no thanks button, here's what happens. You get the same offer, but you get a $10 discount on it. So make sure you do that. I want you to get the lowest price. Give me a like if you like the fact that I show these discounts. Again, I make less money by showing them to you, but I always want you to get that lowest price. Okay, next one here, you can steal their best Phoenix affiliate funnels and campaigns. Again, what I want you to do here is go down to the bottom and click that no thanks button, because that's going to bring up a discount. That gives you a big $100 discount off that one. Give me a like there for that one. That's a big discount. So if you're going to get it, make sure you get that discount. Here's another one here. They'll let you steal their bonuses. Normally it's 47, it looks like, but if you click that no thanks here, you can bring that price down. You can get a $20 discount off that one. So that's a pretty big one. Next one here is you want real results. Join our 10K in 30 days coaching mastermind. Normally they say that's 497, but click that no thanks button. And maybe you don't get a discount on that one. Maybe that's the one you don't get a discount on. So next one here is their inner circle. Let's see if we can get a discount on that one. It always check the no thanks, because a lot of times these guys give a discount. Here's 20 bucks on that one. You can get a discount. Here's one. It's going to give you endless supply of traffic. And if you click no thanks on this one, let's see here. No thanks. Take me to the next step. Here you go, $100 discount on that one. And the last one here is resell rights to this, and click that no thanks. And we bring $30 off that. So all these different OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Phoenix Reloaded and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about this, $1,000 daily passive, like they're making this, don't expect to be making that yourself. This is a method that works, but don't think that it's like a magic button that you're going to push and start making money with. There is some work involved with it. So just don't think that it's like a magical system. What do I like about this? This is something that actually works. I know these guys are making money. If you're looking for a real way of making money online, you've been struggling for a while, and you want something that actually works, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Phoenix Reloaded, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really does help out with my YouTube channel, and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.